Tuwing Lent, we are reminded of a story we have heard 100 times. Pero minsan, dahil paulit-ulit na, nakakalimutan natin yung lalim. Yung krus na yan, hindi lang simbolo ng religion. It's a story of pain, sacrifice, and the biggest comeback ever. Hi everyone, it's me again, Richard, and my friends oftentimes call me Sir Ogie with the silent P. And for today's digital illustration, pahinga muna tayo sa pagdrawing ng mga bagay-bagay. This time is going to be a bit different. Hindi ito tungkol sa trends, or hacks, or tao na tulad ng mga naunang na-drawing ko na. This is a moment, a pause to reflect. Well, let's be honest. Life is hard. Some days, you are okay. The other days, parang wala ka ng ganang bumangon. Parang may bumabagsak na bigat sa dibdib natin. May moments na hindi natin alam kung anong direction ang ating tatahakin. Pero alam mo ba? That's exactly why the cross hits different this season. Jesus carried that cross. Alone, hurt, and misunderstood. Walang comfort, walang cheer. Parang tayo rin minsan, punong-puno ng tanong. Puno ng, bakit ako pa? But the story didn't end there. That's the beautiful part. And this time, gawin natin na Lent is not about sacrifice. It's about transformation. It's not just giving something up. It's also about letting go. Letting go of guilt. Letting go of fear. Letting go of the version of you na punong-puno ng doubt. Kasi may mas malakas, mas healed, mas hopeful version ng sarili mo na naghihintay after the cross. Maybe right now, you feel stuck. Maybe feeling mo wala kang progress. But growth is slow. And God sees you even in the waiting. Alam mo yung sunset sa painting? It reminds me that even the darkest skies still end in beauty. So how do you rise again? How do you keep going? You breathe. You cry kung kinakailangan. You pray kahit paulit-ulit. You rest, not quit. And you believe kahit minsan ang hirap. Because Lent is a reminder that even if things die, dreams, relationships, motivation, something new can still rise. Ang krus ay hindi katapusan. Ito ay paalala na kahit gaano kalalim ang sugat, may pag-asa pa rin. May bagong araw. At may Diyos na hindi sumusuko sa atin. Kaya ngayong Semana Santa, don't just reflect on what you gave up. Think of what you have gained. Think of the strength you found in your brokenness. Think of how far you've come. At dyan na rin nga nagtatapos ang ating episode para sa Lent. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kung kayo ay may comment o suggestion kung paano pa natin mapapaganda ang ating drawing, paki-comment dyan sa baba. Thank you for spending a few quiet moments with me. May this season bring peace in your heart, clarity in your path, and hope to your soul. See you next time. Stay grounded, stay growing, and always choose life. God bless us all.